Ready to unlock immediate access to your documents and photos with a simple click. Let's dive in and connect your printer to your Mac. First, let's get started by going to the Apple menu located in the top left corner of your screen. Click on that iconic Apple logo. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings to open the Settings panel. In the System Settings window, look for the option labeled Printers and Scanners, usually shown with the printer icon. Give it a click. Now, you should see the Printers and Scanners window appear at the top. You may see printers you've previously connected. To add a new printer, click the plus button. A new small selection window will appear if your printer is nearby and turned on. It should appear in this list automatically. You can also see nearby printers. If your printer does not appear, your printer may need to be added by its IP address. Once you've chosen your printer from the drop-down list, your Mac may automatically detect and install the correct print drivers. Once the driver installation is complete, the printer is successfully added. Your printer is now accessible to your applications. You can also customize printer settings such as default paper size and printing for optimal results. And that's it. Now you can effortlessly print your documents and photos. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.